enjoyed it all. Thank you so much. So, when am I going to see you again?
Anytime, anyhow. You know my house now, so you can come over.
It's not by knowing your house. I want to see you tomorrow. I want to see you next tomorrow. I want to see you next month. I want to see you next year. In fact, I want to see you every... I want to see you next year.
No problem. I will do anything to make you happy.
Okay.
Okay?
No problems.
Yeah.
Let me start going. Okay. I'll call you later. Yeah? Try.
Hey, Ned, who is he?
It's somebody that's been taking care of me recently.
So you mean you've been seeing another man aside our husband?
But I told you now. Didn't I tell you? See, I cannot kill myself. I've gotten it up to here. Our husband is starving us. What do you want me to do? My dear, open your eyes.
Is he good?
You know me. That guy is hot. See, there is nothing as sweet as doing it with somebody that is full of energy and life. My dear, open your eye. You better join the moving train.
Yes. But Ned, I'm afraid.
Of what?
What if our husband finds out? He will kill us.
Who will tell him? You or me?
I can't tell him.
If you like, tell him that I did. Did you see me? You will bring picture now. Did you snap me? Let's go.
That boy.
Or the hawk.
Wow.
Come on, carry. Babe, you better join the movie train. I tell you, man. I swear. Come. Come with this one.
What's up? Hey! Uzamaka has gone instead. No, Zamaka! No, Zamaka!
Nai.
Please, come.
Nai, what is it?
Look at your daughter. What is wrong with her?
Uzamaka.
No, I don't know.
Uzamaka.
Uzamaka. What is it?
Eh? What is it?
Have you gone insane?
Papa, I'm just happy with myself. I'm fine.
Happy?
Yeah.
Hey. Happy?
Hey.
You are happy, eh? For what? Did you win jackpot?
What is it? Talk to us, eh? Tell me, what is it?
Mama. Papa. I found a man for myself.
Hey! Nai. Nai,
You have found
Nai,
the
wait.
man you will marry.
Uza.
Good news!
Hey! Nai, she's not insane.
This is good news. I can now see you are not insane, my daughter.
She's not.
Good news! Good news. Listen to me, listen. You keep that.
Nai, let her tell us who the person is.
No, who else? Who else? Just keep it to yourself. When I come back, we will continue from where we
started. Nai.
Now, I think I have known you are not
Nai, you can go. Adam.
I am already late. Let me run that.
Nai. Ne.
Mama.
Who is he?
Hey, Mama. He's not that person. Dan. Commander Boo.
Commander Guinea. How's Amaka?
Commander Boo.
The Boo waiting.
The brave man.
Shut up your mouth. Have you gone out of your senses? Please, don't even say this to your father. He will just skin you alive. Are you okay?
Mama, me, I don't care. I don't care if people don't like him. Me, I'll marry him because I love him. And I think he loves me too. I will marry him. Mama, I will marry him. No,
Who's Amaka?
Papa.
So what did you say?
Papa, I said I'm in love with Commander Boo.
What? That you are in love with Commander Boo? Uzamaka, are you mad? Are you mad? Oh, so you want to bring shame into this family? Eh? You want to bring shame into this family? Hey! All the able-bodied young men in this Amazo village, it is that idiot, that impotent, stupid boy that you want to get married to? Is that what you're telling us? Eh? That is the kind of person you want to have as a husband? No, has he any child at all?
Papa, he has not found the right woman to give him a child. And I feel it strongly that they want to give him a child.
Can you hear your daughter? Eh? You want to bring shame into us. You want to bring shame into this household. It will never work out. It will never. It will never.
Papa, see, he's a brave man. Oh. And me, I'll get married to a brave man.
Shut up! Keep your mouth shut!
Mama, happen, I love it.
Leave me alone.
Shut up! Shut up for once!
Papa, he's a brave man. Don't you want to get out?
Leave my house.
Hey!
I'll marry a brave man. I'll marry a brave man.
Hey.
You're sitting down. Why are you sitting down? Shut up, diabetic old fool. You have the guts to take my name to your native doctor's place. Me, Commander Boo. Even your native doctor bows to me. How did you know that? How did I know? Came and cause Omugo. Every Saturday, you must sweep this village. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Every Saturday, you must sweep this whole village. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good, continue.
Okay, sir.
Anofia.
Thank you, sir.
Continue walking. Bloody civilian.
Service to our nation, Commander Bulldog. Commander Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 19 people.
Who are you and who are you looking for?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm sorry. My name is Amoche, the daughter of Ichi Osakwe.
How dare you bloody civilians step your feet into this barrack?
I'm sorry, but I'm here to see the commander.
For what? Move! Bloody civilian. Move! Don't waste my time.
Good afternoon, Commander.
Commander, sir. This bloody civilian is here to see you.
Yes, Commander. I know you don't know me, but my name is Amoche, the daughter of Ichi Osakwe. I'm sorry for coming unannounced. I really want us to say in private.
In private? How dare you bloody civilian speak directly to the commander? You should be punished for this. No!
Leave that. Excuse us.
But commander!
I said excuse us.
Thanks for accepting me.
It's not accepted, but it's forgiven.
Believe me, ever since you returned to this village, I have been a huge admirer of your bravery. It is not easy passing through the military and coming back successful. I am so proud of you. So, I have been looking for a way of showing you appreciation and loyalty. So, I brought this food for you. I beg of you, please do not say no.
3-story building killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation.
Mama, me, I'm old enough to make decisions for myself. I'm old enough.
Amaka, but you know your father never liked him. Eh?
Mama, I don't care if he likes him or not. What has Commander Boo done to Papa? Tell me now. Mama said this is pure jealousy. Papa is just jealous.
Don't talk to your father.
He's jealous.
What has come over you? Eh? You know that your father will never approve of it. I don't want any trouble, my daughter. Please.
Okay. You will not approve of it, Abi. He's been threatening to throw me out of the house, right? He's been threatening to throw me out of the house, and I will go. Because I'm tired of tolerating this nonsense, eh, Mama?
Go where?
I'm not a child.
My daughter is okay now, eh? You are no longer a kid.
Thank God you know.
And that is one thing your father fails to understand.
Then talk to him.
Hey, relax, I will talk to him.
Talk to him, oh, because me, if I don't marry the person I want, me, I will leave this house for people. Hey. I will leave.
Amaka, you are not going anywhere.
Mama, me, I will go.
Amaka?
Mama.
Amaka?
Mama, I'm coming. I want to see my friend.
I'm not done talking to you.
Oh my God, you're so sweet!
Eh? Amuche, wait. You mean to tell me you slept with him on the first day? My dear girl.
My dear, that is the power of love.
What power of love? Eh? Amuche, so you mean to tell me that you are now so stupid to have degraded yourself to a village prostitute?
Please, Chokube, do not call me names. Is it not my body? Eh? I gave it to the man that I love, and I enjoyed it, and I'll continue to enjoy it forever. Oh, Biko.
My dear, be very careful. Be very, very careful. Eh? Amuche, all the glitters are not gold. They are not gold.
Please, Chokube, if you don't want to accompany me to his house, please tell me. After all, I went there by myself the very first time. I can also go there on my own, okay?
Chineke, I'm not accompanying you to that door.
Excuse me.
Why can't any of my wives conceive? Why?
2YC! 2YC!
Commander, sir!
You told me you were going to see the doctor. What did he say? Are you deaf? What did he say? He said you're not pregnant. And you're not even ashamed to say it. Take a good look at yourself. You are just a wasted dustbin, wasted effort. You can't even give me a baby. Get out of my sight before I kill you. Get out! If you're gone. Give you which more time? Are you building? Ordinary to conceive. Any street girl can conceive and give birth. You're telling me to give you more time. My friend, get out of my sight before I kill you. I'm off here. Leave here! Barren, bloody civilian. Barren, bloody civilian. That's what you are. Nothing good can come out of Israel. The doctor said you're not pregnant. Can call Gaka.
Attention! At ease. Chest out. Down. Chest out. Down. You.
Sir!
Step forward. Give me your whistle. Henceforth, you are no longer my 2YC. You have been dethroned. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
Step back. Come back here. You.
Sir!
Step forward. You are now my latest 2YC.
Yes, sir! I promise to effectively discharge my duty as a 2YC without fear or favor. So help me God.
Good. Step back. Attention! At ease. Attention! At ease. Attention! Chest out. Down. Chest out. Down.
Agwara ndị ọ naghị adịgide. Awa mgbe nta nwanne ọ naghị adịgide. Cool down. Ọ gwara gị agwa. Attention! National salute! Salute! Basa, do this one. Attention! National salute! Salute!
There's something I want to tell you.
I'm all ears.
I love you.
Is that what you want to tell me?
Of course yes. So tell me, when are you coming to see my father?
Your father?
Yes.
Is he sick?
No. I mean, when are you coming to properly ask for my hand in marriage? Yes. Or have we not gotten to that part yet?
Will you close your mouth? Are you serious? Is this the way you behave? When am I coming to ask for your hand in marriage? No, Kukuma proposed to me. No, propose to me. Let's know you're in a hurry. Are you supposed to remind me?
Sorry, I don't understand you.
You don't understand me. Listen, there is nothing like marriage in my agenda. There is nothing like marriage. All I need is a male child. Okay? So prove yourself. Conceive. Get pregnant first before telling me I should come and see your stupid father. Your father Onekego. Is he sharing money?
Excuse me? What do you take me for? A whore? Oh. Maybe you think this is how I open my legs to other men.
I don't bloody care. You don't have the right to ask me when I'm coming to see your parents. No, Kukuma proposed to me now. Let's know you're a desperate woman. In fact, I'm tired of talking to you. As you can see, military zone, keep off. Oh yeah, leave this place. Leave this place also. Jobless idiot. I said leave this place. When am I coming to see your diabetic father? Leave this place also. Jobless idiot.
Look, Amuche, just tell me you are joking.
How can I joke with such thing, Papa? I am serious. How can't you see the tears in my eyes?
Yes, I can see the tears actually, but you know, women, you people are good in shedding crocodile tears. Norbert is a very straightforward man. I know him very well.
Papa. At first, I I thought he was joking, but he's not. You need to have seen the seriousness in his eyes when he said, if only I get pregnant, he will marry me, Papa, me.
You yourself, you are at fault. How can you just go and meet him like that? Just present yourself like a village prostitute. It's not right. That is why he's taking advantage of you.
Papa, me. No, Papa, I didn't present myself like that. So you know your daughter now. I can't do such thing, Papa.
Okay, I've heard you.
Papa, what are you going to?
I want to go and see him so that we can discuss man to man.
What will you tell him when you see him?
And don't worry about that. It's just between us. Don't worry. Greetings, my daughter.
My friend, what is the tears all about? What is it?
Nothing, I'm fine. Leave me.
So who is your father going after?
Nobody.
Oh, you're crying now. Wait, though. Hope it's not what I think.
What? What? Come on, start again. Not calling that. Leave me.
Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped
Commander Boo, it's 3 hours now. I've been serving this punishment. Please forgive me. Let me go, please.
Thank God for rain. How was the rain? Huh?
You have the guts to come here. Didn't you see what I posted there? Keep off military zone. You have the guts to walk into my compound and talk about your useless daughter. Your useless daughter that every young boy in this village knows the color of her pant. I saw her the other day in the bush with Ebuka. Even Musa Mesuya knows the color of your daughter's pant, and you are here. Instead of you to thank your star that I even managed and touch your daughter, you are blabbing. You will stay here for 3 days. You will stay here for 3 days. Nobody talks with you. You will stay here for 3 days. What's my name? Again? What's my name? Good. You should be grateful that I managed your daughter. Your useless daughter. Is she sharing money? Is your daughter sharing money? Eh? Where were you when I jumped from 21-story building during peace congress in Congo? Where were you? Where were you when I killed 95 people just to save the kids? Where were you? You had the guts to walk into my compound and talk about your useless, your useless daughter. You will stay here for 3 days. Raise up your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Animal. Your useless daughter that was even smelling. She messed my room up. Body odor. Perfume zero. No spray. Instead of you to come and thank me, you are here talking about your daughter. Who your daughter help? Useless idiot. You will stay here for 3 days. 3 days.
Edan.
Oh, Nalwe. Kegome.
Kegane.
No, we are fine.
Why you always frown?
Huh?
Why you always frown? You should be happy that your daughter has a very nice decision by marrying. Yes. Well, you should be very happy. I don't know why you.
That my daughter made the right decision by marrying a soldier. Is that what you are telling me? By marrying an impotent man?
Oh, God.
No. What are you talking?
Don't talk like that. Don't talk
Like that. I wish your daughter that kind of man. A man who could not impregnate his 5 wives. Is it the 6th one that he will be able to impregnate? Huh? No. Is that what you're telling me? No, I think you are drunk this morning.
We are not talking of pregnancy now. We are not talking of all those things now. Just be happy that this girl made a very nice decision by marrying a brave soldier known in this community now. Why?
A soldier that is impotent. No, okay, that's all right. No, Nalwe, it's enough. It's enough. If you know you are drunk, no, don't use it on me. Listen. Nalwe, go and give your own daughter to him.
Oh, yeah, oh, my dear.
No, you want a soldier man as an in-law. Go and give your daughter to him.
I wish my daughter should take this type of decision now. People say I drink ogogoro, I drink wine, I drink this. But my daughter drinks foolishness. You see, a brave man, soldier, known in this community. You don't want, oh my dear.
Nalwe.
Go and choose something now.
Go and give your daughter to him.
I wish I do that.
Go and give your daughter to him. Listen. You must stop drinking if you have to be my friend.
People may say I'm drinking ogogoro. Now you sabi, I've told you. I don't talk.
What are you doing in my room?
I came to warm your bed like I used to.
I'm not in the mood for any woman. Leave my room.
My husband, please. Please, give me one more chance. I will give you your heart desire.
I hate repeating myself. Get out of my room.
My husband, please, I beg of you. Just once. Give me one more chance. Please.
If I stand up, your body will never remain the same. Leave!
Can't you see I'm not in the mood?
What is it? When did it start? No, you that does not allow me rest until I give you 1 or 2 rounds. You are the one telling me you are not in the mood. But no, it cannot come.
Oh, my husband, leave me alone now. Leave me alone. I'm not happy. Can't you see our daughter is not happy? And it's really affecting me. She said she wants to marry Commander Bro. Why not allow her to marry the person she's in love with?
And what will she benefit by going to that man's house and will not have a child? That man that is impotent.
My husband, is that what you wish your only daughter?
No,
is that your prayer for her?
No. Listen to me. Okay, it's all right now. How does it affect doing this thing?
I'm not doing every time. Do.
It's all right.
Don't even rest. Why don't you just allow this thing to rest? I will not do because now the baking hope. I'm not doing. Cover.
A combatant soldier. He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation. Commander Bulldog.
Commander Bulldog. Commander Boo, good day, sir. Sir, you don't remember me? I'm the Okpasela. Good day, sir. Sir, I just want to tell you that I love you so much. I love you with all my heart.
You love me.
Yes, sir.
Drop that thing here.
Huh? Thank you, sir.
Kneel down. Hands up. Close your eyes.
Sir?
Don't make me repeat myself. Kneel down. Hands up. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Bloody civilian. Do you know me? Am I supposed to know you? How much do you share weekly? To crown it all, you love me.
Bad girl. Bad girl. Bring a bottle of beer, any cold beer.
Commander, I'm sorry.
If I slap you, your face will never remain the same. Dustbin. Where will we move away from this place? Bloody civilian. You said you love me, right? What's my name? 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 Bloody civilian. What's my name? 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 You will stay here till tomorrow morning. Next time you learn how to mind your business. Idiot. Do I know you? Am I supposed to know you? How much do you share weekly? I'm the Marcella, like you're the president of the country. To crown it all, you love me. This is my own love. Bloody civilian. Idiot comparison. You are never that cheerful. I know, man. And I love him, man.
Where is Obiageli?
Mama, I called her, but I think she's still grieving the loss of her position in this house as the 2IC.
Okay. The reason I called this meeting is very important. How can you people be quiet over what is happening in this house? How can you allow Nobat, my son, keep treating you this way? Eh? The one I had yesterday was he has started seeing another woman. When is all this going to stop? I believe you all know the answer to this question. Meaning, whenever you are ready to stand up against him, you do it. This is a wake-up call. And I urge you to think about it. Think about it and free yourselves from his shackles. This is why I called you.
Mama, how do we stop a soldier? We are talking about Commander Boo.
He is capable of nothing. Nobody is my son. I carried him 9 months in my womb. He won't do anything. You people are 4 in number. He is just one person. Plan on how to stand up against him. I'm telling you this, or you remain here being frustrated forever. Ekusikwamo.
Where is that stupid fool? How dare you? How dare you treat me like that? Sorry, Commander. Be careful and know that power has changed hands in this household. I sent Adago to summon you for a meeting and you ignored that call.
I wasn't feeling too well.
How dare you disobey my orders? Come here! How dare you? Look, eh? Come here! I want to touch your ear. I say, leave that here! See, you have to go around this compound and fill the drum with water. I am giving you till 12 noon because I have other errands for you to do. Did you hear me? Now, get going!
Commander, please.
Please, come on, I should come out! failed. 1 hour added to your time. I said I.
Commander, please. I can't do this anymore. I'm very hungry, please.
You've not seen hunger and humiliations. By the time I'm through with you, you will see what I've endured from you as a 2IC. Don't forget, that power has changed her.
Hey. Commander. Sorry, Commander, please.
You had the guts to lie to me. Look at everywhere dirty.
But I swept it clean, Commander.
And you did what? And I can see pure water nylon everywhere. Huh? You had the guts to lie to me. My friend, come on, continue. Come on.
Commander, please.
Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up. Hold me. Go down, carry me down. I said down. Up. Down. Up. I walk like a donkey. Carry me and be going. By the time I'm through with you, you understand what it means to be a Kamaka. When next you hear my name, you do what? Power has changed hands. Power has. I walk like a donkey.
He jumped down from 3-story building.
Come. 2 hours added.
Come here. Follow me, stupid girl.
Nine.
Stay here. I want Uzamaka to repeat exactly what she told me inside. Talk to your father. Talk to your father.
Uzamaka, talk to her. What is it?
Papa, I'm pregnant.
Did you hear that?
Hey!
Pray.
No, wait. What did you just say?
I'm pregnant.
And you have the guts to say this before me?
Nine.
Hey!
That is not even the problem, Nine. That is not the problem. I want you to ask her who got her pregnant. Tell your father who got her pregnant.
Commander Boo.
Hey! Uzamaka, you said it before me?
Papa.
No bigger. Uzamaka, you have to go. Hey! And you are here? No, you are here. You are here.
Nine.
You are the cause of this.
Nine.
You are the cause of this. Ifesinachi, you better let me be. Leave me alone.
Where do you want her to go to?
Ask him.
Tell me where you want her to go to.
This girl cannot bring shame into this family anymore. It is enough.
Let me tell you, you are the one bringing shame to us. Like throwing away your own daughter. Where do you want her to go to?
She should go to
What do you want people to say?
She should go to the man who impregnated her.
Oh my.
Let her go to the man that impregnated her. That's all. She has to leave. Simple. Go to that man. Enough is enough. You cannot continue to stay in this house with the man who impregnated you.
At least.
Go there.
It's a thing of joy.
What is
Tell
joy?
me, who will ever believe in this village that Norbert can ever got anyone pregnant?
Mama, help me
You
and
should
tell
be
him.
happy.
Mama, tell him. Only once. Makam, I took him.
End him. For fun. Shut up your mouth. I'm telling you.
You are not even ashamed of yourself.
Mommy, I broke the record.
You are very proud.
I broke
Proud
the
that you
record.
opened your leg. Wow.
Nine.
Wow.
Nine.
For that man and he.
Nine.
He has to hit you.
Nine.
Rubbish.
Are you mad?
Come on.
You are here telling me fun. Oh, fun. And you open your leg for him. Nine.
No.
Nine.
She was
Mama, what are you using that for now?
She has gone nuts.
Now get out.
Get out of here. She has gone nuts. Papa, don't touch her. Pregnant. Papa, you get her pregnant.
No bet. You insulted my person as a retired soldier who coordinated a battalion during this civil war.
You coordinated the civil war?
Yes.
So I should fly off. That's some old school bullshit. Listen, I coordinated World War III, in case you don't know. My friend, what are you doing here before I lose my temper?
No bet I have come to tell you the involvement that I am in the army. That is it. Don't.
You go straight to the point now.
Will you shut up your mouth? To go straight to the point? If you had closed your legs together like other guests, I wouldn't have been here, disgracing myself before this small boy.
Listen, I can be very, very dangerous when I'm angry, and I don't have time. Straight to your point, what are you doing here?
I have come to tell you that my daughter here is impregnated, and you are the one who did that. You are. You want to deny it? You are laughing.
I'm not getting you. Listen, gone are those days when they say someone is pregnant and people will be running around. It's good news. I'm not this baby. But you've proven that you are not a dustbin. You are pregnant. Ay, Jesus Lord. What have you been looking for? I'm sure it's a boy.
Yes.
Let me see. Hey, it's kicking. The baby is kicking. The baby is kicking. Congrats, my in-law to be. Is that why you've been making noise? Congrats. Don't worry.
Congrats?
Yes, now.
Adako. Adako.
Where are they?
Why are you people working out so flat and disorganized? Have you lost your sense of discipline and conduct? Why are you not standing properly?
Commander, my legs are paining me.
Your legs are paining you.
I said my legs are paining me.
One.
My neck is paining me.
Your neck is paining you.
Yes, my neck.
Two. Any other person?
Now, I'm cooking. I left something on the fire.
You are cooking, so you are in a hurry.
Yes.
Beautiful. Three. Any other person? Now, you all should listen and listen real good. I sense cool. Yes, you heard me. I sense cool in this barracks. If I find out any one of you, if I find out any of you is conspiring against me in this barracks, I will bury the person alive. It's a promise, not a threat. I will bury the person alive. I, Commander Bull, will bury the person alive. It's not a threat, but a promise. You people should leave. Get out of my sight! Bloody civilians.
For how long will I continue to suffer here? I don't think I will last long if I continue receiving this harsh treatment from Okamaka. I'm afraid she will kill me one day. It's best I sneak out of this house, since it's obvious I have lost Nabet.
Attention! Now, what do you mean by she's gone?
Sir.
Listen, I made you my 2YC for a reason. You are supposed to be in charge of every living thing in this barracks in my absence. So what happened?
Sir, I began to escape from the house without anybody's notice. I had instructed her to fetch water, but when I saw the drums empty, I meant to confront her, but I met the apartment empty.
You mean she ran away? I will go to her parents' house and deal with her and her parents. I paid her bride price in full, so she has no right to leave this barracks without my consent. And as for you, this is gross incompetence. Gross incompetence. You're supposed to be in charge.
Sorry, sir.
Get out of my sight. Leave!
Amoche, are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, Papa.
Then you don't have to tell him you are pregnant.
Why don't you want me to tell him? Why?
My daughter, I have my reason. Look, I want to achieve a purpose with this your pregnancy. I am ready to take care of you and teach your unborn child. Just leave it to me.
But Papa, he needs to know that it's not important.
Hey, see, my daughter, I don't want to shoot a bird and miss it. Yes, I have a very big plan for this your pregnancy. Just leave everything to me. Trust me, I'm your father.
But Papa, I don't just like this your idea. I don't just like it.
Look, my daughter, leave everything to me. By the time I finish with my plan, you'll be proud of me as your father. Just leave it to me. Please, let it be like that. Yes.
Uzamaka, as you are going to your husband's house tomorrow, you know very well I am not in support of you getting married from him, but because you have given birth to a child for me, well, I'll give you my blessing. But you have to be very careful, my dear. Be careful. Because the home you are going to is a home with so many wives. What I mean is he has many wives. So you have to be very careful. If he dares to maltreat you in any way, let me know. Don't hesitate to let me know on time. Do you hear me? Good. Good. I give you my blessing.
My daughter, give me your hand. Love and respect are the keys to every marriage. Please, I want you to love your husband and respect him. In doing that, he would not have any reason to maltreat you. Okay? Please, my daughter. And also try to avoid his wives anytime they look for your trouble. Always seek for peace. I don't want anything to happen to you, my daughter.
Papa, thank you very much. I'm very happy that I have your blessing.
Thank you.
Mama, stop crying. Mama, I promise to always come around to check on you from time to time.
Daughter, it shall be well with you. Oh, Mom. Okay,
Maybe you have not actually known the home you are going to. That man does not allow his wives out without permission. Let me tell you something. Even his in-laws from a reliable source do not visit him at all. But in my own case, I must visit that home. From time to time, I'll be coming to visit you to see how you are faring. Eh? Don't be afraid, because my case is different. So, do not think you will have all the time to always run down to this house. Eh? Just be yourself. Behave well, that is all. Not all that glitters is gold.
You are all I have, my daughter.
Mama, stop.
Oh.
No. You have to give your dad advice a chance. Eh? He knows why he doesn't want that idiot to know you're pregnant. Biko Kenny. Eh?
But that would make Commander Boo to love me. Even make me his second in command.
Amuche, give your dad advice a thought. What an elder sees sitting, you cannot even see it even when we climb the highest mountain. Biko Kamna. Enne.
What if another woman becomes pregnant for him? He will not see me as second hand, Abi.
Nne, you've always desired to be his sixth wife. So becoming a second hand is even a privilege. Biko Kamna. Give your dad advice a chance. Oh?
Attention! At ease! Attention! As you all know, I smile once again. And for the fact that I'm smiling this morning simply means that today is a special day. Today is a special day and the beginning of a new dawn in this barracks. Breaking news. Standing beside me here is my new wife. Oh yes, you heard me. She has proven to be a complete woman. What you all could not give me for God knows how long. She's pregnant. Clap for her, not reason. Clap for her, not reason. Good. So she is my new wife. And because she's pregnant, that simply means she is VVIP. What did I say? VVIP. What did I say? VVIP, sir. You should adopt, cherish, in fact, worship her, pet her, because she is carrying Commander Boom Jr. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Let me have your 2 YC gadgets. You are hereby dethroned. You are no longer my 2 YC.
Yes, sir.
This is the latest 2 YC in this barracks. Now, salute her. Salute her! Salute her. met this man during my 2 days I went to play. It's my mom first thing about it.
Well, what?
Attention! At ease! Attention!
Thank you.
Not for anything, our Bobby is bigger than yours. So they should accord you that respect. Hey, Mama. At least for once, you came to my house smiling. Every time you blow up, okay?
Ah, one cable, no. Are you not my son? I'll give one a make, give one a course here. Oh, welcome.
So, Mama, if you keep coming to my house smiling, we won't be having problem. We won't be having problem. Go and carry away the...
Nna, what is this girl doing in your house?
You mean Uzo?
Her
name is Uzo Makana. My latest wife. Breaking news. She's pregnant. Hello, Mama. Don't you trust me? One, that girl, Peter Rufai. I fired once.
So she's carrying Commander Boo Junior.
No, no, Adime.
She's pregnant.
Please, no but is it because you are childless that we make you to accommodate every pregnant girl that moves around in this village?
She's not just a pregnant girl roaming about in this village. I said I fired once. Don't you trust me? Once Kambalo Chel. That girl is Peter Rufai. So she's carrying my baby.
I know the reason I'm asking this. Is this not the girl I know that used to move from one room to another in this village? From one man to another. I know her very well. That's why I'm asking you.
Mama, what is the name of that prostitute in the Bible that let her give birth? Don't judge people like that. Even in the Bible, there is Ashawo.
So relax.
Must you be the one to marry that Ashawo? Eh? Obi, you know you got no Ashawo.
Mama, let's change topic. In fact, I like the color of your wrapper. How much did you buy it? Huh?
But you know, say you know no Masha. You know. But wait, am I the only one who feels that this girl is not pregnant?
How can you say she's not pregnant when her husband introduced her as his pregnant wife?
Maybe it's true. Or is it that she's just lucky? Then maybe there's something wrong with all of us.
There's nothing wrong with me. Yes. If there's anybody something is wrong with, it has to be her husband. Yes, because there is no infertility in our lineage. In my lineage.
Me too.
Even in my own lineage.
Well,
me too.
All I know is that I am not happy the way our husbands bring strangers to this house to rule us. He can't bring some stranger here to rule us. It has to stop.
Nedi, wake up from your sleep. Wake up! The commander has given orders and there's nothing any of us can do about it. Unless we all come together, strategize a plan on how we can stop him from using us as slaves. Look at all of us. We are married to nobody. None of our families can visit us.
I greet you all, my co-wives. I come in peace.
Eh?
I come in peace.
I'm coming to check on there. Who cares if you come in peace or not? Look, if you mess up with us, I do beg you not. When I'm there, don't use because you are now the two IC, just use your power to intimidate us.
I don't need this power. I don't want it. I'm not going to use it on anybody. I just want you all to accept me as your co-wives. I beg you.
I come in peace. I'm a peaceful person. Please, I beg you.
I come in peace. Not to go wise. In her.
Breathe, no be poor, me.
How because you lie to me? You deceive me. In fact, lie down. Lie down here. Lie down here. You have because to lie. You said you are pregnant. Now you are not. Front door, boya. Fast. Front door. Bloody civilian. How dare you? You lied to me. You lied. You deceived me. That you are pregnant. In fact, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Wallahi kariya tani ta jan tana da ciki na aure ta haje da gida yau da dare an tuna ba ta da ciki wallahi zan ci mai da mata ku zo da kai da mu zo duka ku zo ta mu ci buru mata ta ce tana da ciki yanzu ba ta da ciki ku zo na gida lie down. Lie down. You have the gall to lie to me. You said you are pregnant. Why you are not? Bloody civilian. BBC. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. If she moves, you are dead.
Yes, sir!
I'm going to a 2 division to bring Sani and Musa.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir! Bloody civilian. BBC. Barring bloody civilian. Barring bloody civilian. BBC. Lie down. Come here.
Okay.
Frog jump. I will kill you today. Okay. Frog jump. You have the guts to lie. No one lies to the commander.
Okay.
Lie down.
Lie down.
Lie down.
Maka, I fear will not fear you. You know if you fear God. You had the mind to lie to the commander. You see how that is? Yeah. So then we so. Yeah. She even raised her hand and said, you lied to the.
Better get ready because nobody that I know will finish this day for humiliating him. Hey!
Nowadays, you cannot stay one place. Commander, just because he's just a soldier. Eh? Not even pregnant because of all these things.
Did you see how that is? She said, we are one.
Wait, now. Okay. I wonder what you've seen in No Bats that is making you do shaka. I don't understand. But let me ask you. Are you enjoying this marriage? No. You're all one. No, but
is that useless boy? Where is that boy? Where is he? Where is that idiot? From a nobody. Where is he? You are looking at me.
Why are you making noise in my barrack?
Oh, that I am making noise. That I am making noise. It is you I have come for. Now tell me, who gave you the right to beat up my daughter? Eh? I am asking you. People said you are a soldier. But I want to let you know that I am not afraid of you at all. Because before you were born, I was already a soldier. Yes. So, who gave you the impetus to beat up my daughter? Who?
Point of correction. Your daughter is what I call BBC.
Eh?
Barren bloody civilian. Barren bloody civilian. Are you here to make noise, or do you want me to tell you what your stupid daughter did?
What did she do? No, what did she do? Tell me. Did she steal? Did she commit adultery? No, tell me. What must warrant you raising up your filthy hands instead of coming to report or to complain to me as your superior officer? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me show you the difference between civil war and world war.
You cannot do anything. Where lies your power, eh? Hey! Hey! Listen, if you bring me down here, I will destroy you. If you... What? Hey!
Happy birthday.
What?
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
My mouth!
Happy birthday.
Oh, my mouth!
Happy birthday.
Oh!
Happy birthday.
Hey!
Happy birthday. Happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Okay.
I will show you the difference between
Let's
civil
do it.
war and world war.
Listen.
I will show you the difference between civil war and world war. I will show you the difference between civil war and world war. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You are stupid.
Happy birthday.
I will kill you.
Happy birthday.
I am going to kill
You
you.
are dead already.
If I get up, I will kill you.
You are dead already. You are dead already.
You cannot do me anything.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You idiots! Where is my battery?
What do you mean? I don't understand.
I brought my car for you to wash only to steal my brand new battery?
Bros, I beg. Don't use that word still. I know they like him. I beg. What do you mean? Not be drive you drive come here. I be your motor. No, they use battery again on a coil. Which can't be that?
I borrow my neighbor's battery to start the nonsense in that car.
Bros, the last time person call me a thief, I break the person head. No try me. No call me thief. I dey beg you.
You break the person head.
I dey tell you.
What's a small boy? Osa, you will be my friends for long. Don't allow this battery to bring problems between us.
Bring the trouble now. Which can't be that? See this person, oh. If this I dey fear you. Oh. I beg, don't use that word again for me. I go get angry.
Shut up your mouth! I should bring the trouble.
Yes, go bring the trouble.
Make I bring the problem.
Yes, bring them.
Now, you will see the trouble right now. You go know say Austin a big boy.
Austin, bring the trouble.
All right.
See, make I tell you.
Okay, now.
Don't use that still again for me. I go break your head, though. I dey tell you now.
Trouble. Trouble. You will see right now. You go know say Austin na big boy for this village. They talk to me anyhow. You go see the trouble.
So, if they say, oh sister, wait till you go steal, I go talk say na battery. This my big body with my belly, na battery. This boy dey craze so. In fact, also you dey mad, you dey craze. I don't see big car so I go steal na battery. Madman, idiot. I don't even know the water where I go use to clean this thing again.
Now, if this thing falls down, what I will do to you today? You this number. Oh yeah. To the kitchen. Move. They stay there. This way. Go and bring the soup. I did cook this this morning. Can't even do anything. Can't even do anything. Useless human being.